Yo, what's up? Silvaris in the house. Let's do something. So today I decided to try the famous drink that started trending on TikTok, and I wanted to try and just find out how it tastes. And it's called Dalgona coffee. So guys, let's try and see how it's going to taste. A whisker. We're going to need a spoon. We're going to need a mixing bowl. We're going to need our instant coffee and our sugar, and not forget our hot water. So we'll start by put 2 parts, 2 spoons of instant coffee. Then I'll put 2 spoons of sugar. Then I'll put almost the same amount of water. So I'll start mixing. My mixture, and it's ready. Already put it in the cup, and now I want to make myself a hot dalgona. I just want to try it. I've seen many people making cold dalgona, so I said let me try to make it hot and see how it will be. So I'll put my hot milk. And I'll have to stir. It's looking so yummy, looking so nice. I hope the taste is also nice. And it's very thick. So here's my hot dalgona. I'll taste it. My hot dalgona, I'll taste it. It's a little bit sweeter, but I can still feel the bitterness of the coffee. I can feel the sweetness. I can feel when I'm finishing, that's when I'm feeling the bitterness of coffee. Yeah, it's very nice, and it has a very creamy, heavy bodied texture on your palate. It's very nice. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and see you again next time.